Hey, you two fam. I had to come live and show you all this. This is the Bee Tree Christian Church. And the flood really got a hold of it. So this church was built in 1872, y'all. The Bee Tree Christian Church. And it has survived every other flood except for Hurricane Helene's flood. And it's tragic. It was built right after the Civil War during Reconstruction. And this creek here is brand new. So this creek actually used to be behind the church, and Mother Nature has diverted this creek to come now in front of the church, and unfortunately destroying most of the church. They did say that they salvaged the stained glass windows that have been here since 1872. The lady who we're doing tree work for right now lives just up on the mountain here. And this is Swananoa, Black Mountain. And it's such a bummer because this church, you can tell, has had so much love in it over the years. Here's the steeple. But they now have the creek in front of the church instead of behind it. And it's just $1872, y'all. And that says, "He satisfies the thirsty." And this one says, "And fills the hungry with good things." There's a few pews left, but most of it was sucked out and washed down river. They said there was an old plaque. Sorry, this siding's about to fall off. I don't want it to fall and hit me. So this says the date when it was searched. 0 down here means 0 casualties. So if there's a number down in this bottom section, that'll enumerate the casualties. And this is Bee Tree Christian Church, established 1872, y'all. 1185 Bee Tree Road. And they now have the creek in the front. But hopefully, I was taking this video as a call to action for the Billy Graham Ministries. So Billy Graham Church and Ministries is huge in this town. And they're doing a lot in the rebuild process as far as getting people tiny homes. So I'm hoping if you guys can like and share this video. There's Old Glory waving in the breeze. But if we can get Billy Graham's church to help rebuild this, with the right carpenters and the right construction crews, this church can be salvaged, y'all. I think all this can be repaired. The wood from this church from 1872's got to be old growth wood, so I bet a lot of it's still solid. A lot of the siding and stuff is coming off, but the majority of the church is still in decent condition. I think it can be salvaged. So hopefully this can be a little bit of a call to action, and maybe you folks can tag this and I'm going to tag Billy Graham Ministries, but that would be a great thing to do. I know Billy Graham has a lot of money. Maybe they could come and repair this gym from 1872 that survived the flood but needs major restoration. And this is the creek that used to be, for the last several centuries, the creek naturally ran back here. Mother Nature has thwarted it, and now it runs in the front. But this is a powerful statement, this last chair sitting here. This might have been the deacon's chair or the preacher's chair. We got the Bibles and the hymns still standing strong. Such a bummer. But it's not totally ripped off its foundation, so I feel like it can be saved. So Billy Graham Ministries, if you have it in your heart, I think this would be a good project for you. So guys, let's shoestring detectives, let's reach out, see if we can't do some good and save this church for the people in this valley. The lady who I'm doing tree work for is an older lady, and she's been coming to this since she's a baby. Her parents have been bringing her to this church. So I think that'd be a great mission for Billy Graham Church. But I appreciate y'all watching, and say a prayer for Swananoa, Black Mountain, and the wonderful salt of the earth people that live in these canyons. And hit that like and subscribe on the way out. We don't do anything for clout. Just trying to get people right. We've been volunteering on tree jobs. We've done 5 tree jobs, and we're going to be here helping until they don't need us anymore. So, I just want to say thanks. God bless.